How to check recently watched reels on Instagram. So in today's video, I will show you step by step on how to do it. First of all, go and open your Instagram app like this. So after you open your Instagram app like this, wait it to finish loading. So as you can see now, after you open your Instagram app like this now, tap on this your profile at the bottom right side if you want to see your history for the reel that you watch on Instagram. So now, after you open your Instagram profile like this now, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open your menu like this, all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this section which says your activity, this one. After you open your activity like this now, scroll to down. Now tap on this section. As you can see now, this first option which says likes or comment. So tap on the first one which says likes, this one. After you tap on this likes, as you can see now, tap on this which says all type, this one, all type. So in this section now, uncheck this post, uncheck on this post. So now we only selected the reels. So tap on this apply button. So now allow it to finish loading. As you can see now, you can be able now to see all your watch reel history. As you can see now, all these are my reels history on Instagram. So that's it guys on how to watch or how to find your reels watch history on Instagram. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and share